Hi everyone, I'm Denise Thibodeau, Global Director with Epicure, and welcome to our Good Food, Real Fast Mexican cooking class. I'm super excited to show you how to use our Mexican cooking box. This is a versatile tool, gives you all the spice blends you need to make 5 amazing Mexican meals for your family. So there's 5 recipe cards that come in this meal kit, as well as all the spices you're going to need to create outstanding, fast, and easy meals for yourself. You have a poco picante salsa, you have nacho cheese spice to make a beautiful cheese sauce. You also have guacamole and fajita mix, all right? So we're going to take this kit and we're going to make some magic happen in our kitchen right now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to be using our multi-purpose steamer. As a new business partner, you get the multi-purpose meal or multi-purpose steamer as well as the meal kit in your business kit as just some of the tools that are in there. And this is one of our favorite kitchen tools in the Epicure world. Clients are falling in love with this. It's a food grade silicone and it's a steamer. And you actually cook all kinds of food in the steamer in the microwave. So today I'm going to show you how to make chicken fajitas, which are super easy to do. So the first thing we're going to do is, this is our lid. It has vents. It has a tray in it, so you can do double layer cooking in here, but we won't be using the tray today. I have 1 breast of chicken that I've cut up, and what we're going to do is throw that into our steamer. I'm just going to throw this in my sink. And then from there, we're going to season the chicken with the fajita spice, all right? So the fajita spice is a really beautiful blend, and there is hardly any sodium in here. The amount of sodium in here is only 10 milligrams of sodium. If you were to compare that with any of the yellow packs or any of the packages you find in the grocery store aisles, you're going to notice the sodium levels are extreme. So anywhere from 1,200 milligrams of sodium to anywhere 32, I've seen them as high as 2,900 milligrams of sodium. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of the fajita spice right onto the chicken. And I'm going to be using, I've used the 4-in-1 measuring spoon from Epicure. So it has a tablespoon on this side, a teaspoon, flip it over, it's half a teaspoon, and a line. And what I love about this is that they fit right into our jars. And it's a really awesome tool, and it also comes in our business kit. I'm going to squeeze half a lime into the chicken. So I'm using our paring knife. It's a ceramic paring knife, and it's really super sharp. And it does, when you're working with a ceramic knife, it doesn't oxidize your vegetables or your fruit, so everything stays nice and white. So I'm going to, this is our 2-in-1 citrus press. It also comes in our business kit. You're going to squeeze half a lemon in. And you know how limes are hard to squeeze? This is super easy to do. And there you go. Your lime is inverted and it's all squeezed out. From there, I'm going to cut up some peppers, and I'm going to add some peppers into my chicken for fajitas. I'm just slicing down some peppers with our ceramic knife. And it's super, super sharp. So be careful when you're using this tool. If I hadn't mentioned, this also comes into your business kit, as well as these cutting mats that I'm currently working on. Okay, I'm going to just slice them in half again. And I'm going to throw that into our steamer. Now I'm going to give this a quick stir, get all those seasonings and the peppers all mixed together. If you wanted to throw onion in here, we could throw an onion in here as well. Okay, I'm not adding any sodium, nothing like that. I'm going to put the lid on. And one of the things I always caution my clients is the steamer gets hot. So I would always put it on a plate, throw it into the microwave. So I'm going to cook this chicken for 3 minutes, and I'll show you how fast it'll be cooked in 3 to 4 minutes. So we'll do a check after 3 minutes, but here we go. So the next step is I wanted to make some nacho chips. So I'm making loaded nachos tonight. And I have grated some mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese you want. This is the magic of Epicure. You can follow the recipe to make the hot nacho cheese blend if you want, or an easy step is just throw some of the spice blend right onto your grated cheese. Give it a stir. Now you have flavored cheeses. See how easy that is? I'm going to throw some on my nachos, and I'm going to keep some for if some family members want to make a taco with this, or not use a soft tortilla. So I'll throw this in the oven. Get that cheese melted while the chicken is cooking, as well as the nacho cheese. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a salsa. So just using a part tomato. We had bacon and tomato sandwiches for lunch today. We didn't use all the tomatoes, so now I'm just slicing using this paring knife, and it is sweet. It just literally slices through super easy. So I'm making tiny little bites for my tomatoes, and I'm going to make you a quick salsa. What's lovely about the salsa mix is you can make it as hot or as mild as you want, okay? So you have control over your seasonings. So these cutting mats are really beautiful. They just fold, and you can just pour your vegetables right into a bowl. We're going to squeeze a little bit more lime onto the tomatoes, face down, just a little squeeze, and then we're going to add some of the poco salsa mix. So I don't want it too hot tonight, so I'm going to put 1 teaspoon in. Now you can dress this with corn, black beans, onions. You can elevate that to whatever level you want with Epicure. So this is just the basic recipe right now. And we're going to let that just sit and hang out for just a few minutes, and it'll be ready to go. Now, let's make some avocado, or guacamole with avocado. So the easy way, when you're looking for avocados, you want them to be light brown. So if you take that little nub out, you'll see that when it's super, super white, that means it's not ripe. You want it to be on the softer side. So I take my knife, and I just glide it through till I hit the pit, and I go all the way around. I snap it open, and there you go. So I like chunky guacamole, so I'm just going to take my paring knife and gently slice the avocado inside the skin. Be careful not to go through the skin. You could pull it out with a spoon too. And then what I'm going to do is just squeeze it, and it'll release. Okay, that's how easy it is to do. So now I'm going to take a fork and just smash it down a little bit. I don't want it overly smashed. I like it chunky. And you can do a whole avocado or partial, right? This is the beauty of Epicure. If you're cooking for 1 or cooking for 2, cooking for 3, you can make the amounts you want. And then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons. This jar is almost empty. So 2.5 teaspoons of the guacamole spice. And then some more lime. Mix this all together, and my guacamole is all made. So once this is all incorporated, I'll pull out my nachos, and we'll do some loaded nachos in just a few minutes. So as you can see, we have brought this entire meal together in about 9 minutes. Pretty cool, eh? So one of the things with Epicure is if you want to host your own cooking class, you can do so. We're doing online cooking classes currently. So if there's something in the catalog that you want to learn how to cook, let's get together and we can book you a cooking class. And when you host an Epicure cooking class, you're going to get free and discounted stuff. So imagine getting the Mexican kit for absolutely free. Any of these kitchen gadgets as well, you can earn for free and discounted. So let's pull out the nachos. And our fajita chicken. So you're going to notice that there's steam. When I pull this out, there's going to be, when I break the seal, there's steam that's going to be coming out. I didn't put any, this is completely cooked. I didn't put any water in here, and you can see the juices. Can you see the juices? I don't want to pour it out, but there's juices in there. So that's amazing. So there's our fajita chicken ready to go. And our cheesy nachos. So all I'm going to do I like to use this as a tray. And I'm going to throw some of the chicken onto my nachos. Scatter that all around. This is really hot right now. Scatter that all around. And this will be ready to go for a nice little snack out by the barbecue or outside this afternoon. So there you go. All right, here's some more. So now I can serve this. Put this in a nice little bowl, as well as the poco salsa, and we're ready to go. Thanks for watching.